So as promised in my previous video, I'll be teaching you network processes, or what we can say network dynamic analysis. So first of all, we'll go to Flare, and as I told you, there are tons of tools available, and I would strongly recommend you to go in each folder and to execute them. And in this video we'll be taking a look at Flare's tool called netcut, which will basically help us to analyze the traffic, and then we'll also take a look at Wireshark. So don't worry, first of all, what you need to do is you need to go in each folder, take a look at the name of the tool available, and then search on Google how to use space and then the name of the tool. So why I'm telling you this is because see, I'll be teaching you guys almost like whatever is required, but in order to become a professional, in order to become an expert, you should actually do some research on your own. So you can do some research on your own. So let's open up netcut or fake net. So you can just Google how to use it, but in this video I'll teach you. So what this tool actually does, it actually creates, as the name suggests, it actually creates fake internet, or it actually works as a mediator between your computer and the internet. So what it does, what its purpose, so it will basically create a cap file, and if you go to Flare inside a net folder, you will get all the network tools, and as you can see, it is showing us all the connections that are going on the computer. So even if the computer is ideal, there are tons of connections. So if I run the virus that we have, you will get tons of connections. So for this video I'll be using two new viruses. Not viruses actually, these are basically client and server based tools. So in case you don't know what are these, you might know Team Viewer. So these are something like that, but how Team Viewer actually works is the person who initiates the connection is the client, and then if there is a reverse connection, the server is the person who connects to the client, and this is how it works. And not actually TeamViewer, these are tools. So in case you can see, the fake net has created a pcap file, which is a Wireshark file, and don't worry, we'll be analyzing them. And by the way, the password of the rar file you already know, in previous video I told you. So we'll be analyzing them. Don't worry, right now there are tons of codes available, and you might be worried about what this is and how it looks and how weird this thing is. So it is basically connection, and then we have source IP and the destination IP. So from where the connection is coming and where it is going, and then we have three requests. So you should be strong in network in case you want to analyze network. So you should know what are requests. So we have three requests actually. So ank sync, and you already know this. So there are tons of information available below. You can find lot of information, so which protocol it is using and what is the source IP, destination IP. So in case there is a virus or an exploit running on, and you, in case you are here for malware analysis, you already know what is metasploit and stuff. If you don't know, then you can take my metasploit expert course, don't worry. So basically what happens is, in simple term, if I talk, if a connection is taken from this computer, it will be shown there. So let's do a practical demonstration. So if we open fake net, let it just stop, and once it is stopped, you can just open up, as you can see it is stopped. You can just open up one of these tools that I have provided in the resources. So torct is one tool, so we'll just open it up and we'll keep it, and it is basically asking for an update. So as you can see, it is trying to update to a server. It is trying to connect to a server and asking for an update. So if we go in on the desktop folder, you will notice that there is another pcap file, and As you can see over here, it is telling us the website or the server where it went and took update. So you have to analyze all this package one by one. So I guess it's clear how you should do it and what you should do. All the best, guys. Perform everything and make sure you are researching and keep on doing research and progress through the course. All the best, guys.